Hi, my name is Kevin Lighty, and I'm the service manager here at Empire Ford. We realize we're living in unprecedented times and doing business a little different than usual, but we're still here to serve you. Our service department is open for routine maintenance and major repairs, and we're offering low contact service if you prefer. Simply call us for an appointment or go online to schedule your appointment at EmpireFordNewBedford.com. If you like the low contact service, just mention that under the additional comments section and be sure to opt in for text messages so we can keep you up to date on the progress of your vehicle service. Our technician will be sure to disinfect your vehicle once the service is complete and leave your key in the vehicle if you prefer. If you'd like, you can pay by credit card and be on your way. We also specialize in commercial fleet services, and there's no better time for business to have their fleet service than now. We're offering remote pickup and drop-off at your home or place of business to make things easier as well. Here at Empire Ford, we're here to assist you with all your automotive needs. So call us at 508-996-5611 or visit us online at EmpireFordofNewBedford.com.